Welcome to the third part of our introduction to use the Averbis patent monitor. After importing the patents and training the classifier, now let's generate some classification results. Switch to classification on the project overview page, and the newly generated model can now be used to automatically classify all previously saved documents. Click on the documents that you want to classify, and then afterwards click on Classified Documents to generate the predictions. Here you see the predicted labels coming together with a confidence value. The label will appear in green color when the confidence value is high. If it's low, the color is red. To classify a batch of documents, click on the status filter on the left and choose Unclassified. When leaving the boxes on the documents unchecked and clicking on Classified Documents, the whole selection will be classified. The automatic classification now runs in the back end after some initial processing. Remove the Unclassified filter, and you will see that the number of unclassified documents decreases, whilst the number of auto-classified patents will increase. After a short time, the classification is finished, and all patents are now auto-classified. We now take a closer look at the results. We are especially interested in those predictions that come with a high confidence level. Additionally, we can also sort by confidence. Let's check what the system has found for target categories. For example, for breathing apparatus. So here we find, for example, a fan unit that forms part of a gases supply and is part of a breathing assistance system. We find a respiratory mask for respiratory therapies. And we find an invention that relates to a method for controlling an expiratory gas flow. This is a good example of the artificial ventilation category, and it is quite impressive that this patent was identified without having to enter any keywords. In other words, a normal search would probably have missed this patent. In the other example, on insulin pumps, it looks very similar. We find the system for automatic medication, a portable infusion pump that is associated with a glucose measurement, or an insulin delivery controller. As you can see, the patent monitor is a very precise software that delivers better results than only searching with keywords as in other products. It is based on you, on your previous expert selection. Your engagement with the system teaches it to make the same predictions as you do. This saves you time as a user, since you only have to pick out the patents that are important to you from the few relevant results. In addition, your individual results are sorted by relevance, and you need less time to sift through them.